Hello guys, in our last video, we soaked these grape seeds in water for 24 hours in our this box, right? And now we are going to put it in this airtight container so that it will sprout. Usually the grape seeds take 3 weeks to sprout. We will view it after 3 weeks, after completion of 3 weeks from today, and we are going to go through a very small procedure from till now, like this. If we germinate these grape seeds today, and it will be germinated and a plant grows, it will take 3 years to make a real grapefruit. Understood? So that it will take 3 years, so we will be trying to make about it go all around till the end. Right? Okay, then we should start. As we can see, the grape seeds here are almost a little wet, so we don't need to add more water to them. And the my airtight container is very small. Precautions is that you should not take much amount of uh, grape seeds. The water should not be more, or the seeds will rot. Simply, you have to do one thing so that the grape seeds should germinate at a 100% germinate. For their 100% germination rate, you need to break these pins. Let me focus on it. You see this grape seed. These grape seeds have a pointed side. You can see this is the pointed side where I have pointed it. This is the pointed side. We have to break this a little, very very softly, so that the inner seed does not break. We have to break this out. Okay, I will show you after breaking it. I have broken its point, as you can see in my video. Here it is. Yes, you can see. I have not damaged the inner part of the seed. So I will break another seed to show you. There it have a pointed side like this. We will break it. Breaking the pointed side like this ensures germination of seed. Like this, you have to break it. Okay. Let's take another one. We should take a dark one. The seeds like these, dark colored seeds have a higher chance of germination. Like I will show you after breaking it. Here I have break it its point, its sharp point or pointed side, like this. So we have to add all of them by breaking them in like this here, and I will break all of them. Okay. So hello guys, I have collected all the seeds in this. I have broken one of them point to show you correctly how does it look like. This is the seed. I have broken the pointed part, and you can see inside there is a seed. I have actually broken the seed protective layer outside the seed, known as testa or tegmen, and this helps the seeds to germinate faster. Right? I am going to show you that you have to break all of them in this manner. So you can see here, like this. I have broken them all like that. Right? You can see them, and then you have to do a single thing. If your seeds are dry, you should add a little amount of water to them, or otherwise you should close them with the airtight container. Right? So my seeds were a little dry, so I will add a very small amount of water to them. So here in my container I have a very little amount of water. I will add it like this. A very little amount of water I have added. Now you can see them a little wet. I will close the container and wait for 3 weeks for them to germinate. Before I have done this earlier also, and I have noted that they take time a minimum of 3 weeks to germinate. So I will close them with my vacuum or airtight lid. Here is the airtight lid, as you can see it. Like this, you have seen it earlier as well, as I know many people use it often. You can close it like this. It has been closed as you can see, and now you can close it like this, right? We'll label today's date on it. So today is 1 Jan 20 wait a moment, 2026. And happy new year to all of you guys. Please like, share and subscribe all the content in my channel. As you can see, I will make the content relevant to this things like plants and nature. So you can wait for that as well. And after 3 weeks, I will view it. I will show the results, as you have to wait and I have also to wait. And happy new year, guys.